You sure?
I was 17 when my body changed seemingly overnight. Flesh and blood and raging hormones. So intense. It's like primal.
Oh God, that's so hot!
That boy next door, do you love him?
It's none of your business. But then, one night that summer, everything changed. I was 17 when my mother disappeared. One day she was there, cleaning, making dinner, and the next, she was gone.
What kind of mother would do something like that?
I hate to be the one to tell you this. Hundreds of wives go missing every week.
There were times when I thought she was going mad. She was gonna burn the house down.
Pass the butter.
It was almost like she wanted to have an affair or something.
Could it be that's what she was doing?
Guess anything's possible, right?
You came here to seduce me.
I know.
It worked.
My father had his own drawer of secrets.
Your mother never loved me. No evidence. Not a single trace.
She's gotta be somewhere, right?
You need to let some of your anger out. You're gonna crack.
Why are you doing this? Are you insane?
Harder!
Please, I don't care what it is. I just cannot keep living my life in the dark, just wondering.
Don't ask me. Ask him.
Why won't anyone listen to me?
Mom? The beautiful woman she once was became a phantom, wandering away in a snowstorm.